Hey everyone, and welcome to the 22nd video of this playlist in which I will show you 30 CSS properties in 30 days. And in this video I will show you the property called overflow. Okay, so we will see what it does and how you can use it to make your website even more beautiful. So let's start with the video. Before starting this video, hit the like button, and if you are new, subscribe to Techie Web Dev and press all notifications so you will never miss any future videos. Now let's continue with our topic. So first of all, if you will take a look, we have a simple p tag over here. Okay, so to explain you the overflow property, let's just change some styles for the p tag. I will just increase the font size to the maximum limit. Let's say 50 VW. Okay, let's say 50 VW, and as you can now see, our p tag is now very large. And now if you will see, we have a like horizontal scroll effect and also the vertical scroll effect, because the font is so large that it is just overflowing the website, overflowing your screen. Okay, so as you can see here, it is overflowing the screen. So you can like modify this, you can change this property, and let's see how you can do this. You can see here overflow, and you can see overflow y, overflow x, and just overflow. So first let's see overflow x. So x means horizontal axis. So in this, if you will take a look in our website, I can easily scroll horizontally. Okay, but now if I will just do hidden over here. Okay, in overflow x I will just write hidden and save it. You can see the scrolling bar has now gone and I can no longer scroll. Okay, so this is the property of overflow. You can use it. Let's take an example. You have make a website and your website is overflowing just a little bit. Okay, and you cannot like see what element is causing the mistake, so you can just write overflow hidden, overflow x hidden. Okay, so in that way your website will be like corrected. Okay, so that is the way you can write overflow x. And what if I also write overflow y hidden? Oops, overflow y hidden. Let's save it, and as you can see, the y-axis with the respect of p element is now hidden. Okay, not this one. Okay, because this scroll effect is with the respect to body. Okay, so to hide this scroll effect, I have to first of all write body here, and inside this I have to write overflow y hidden. And now if you will take a look, as you can see, the vertical scrolling effect is also now gone, so you can no longer scroll horizontally and vertically. So this is how you can do this. Okay, so now let's comment this all out, and let's see one more property of scroll effect, and let's uncomment this one because it's a long paragraph, as you can see here. Okay, let's just increase its font size a little bit, not too much. Oops, font size, let's say 2 rem. I think that will be great. All right, okay, now, and also let's decrease the width also. Let's say 500 pixel. Let's take a look. So as you can see here, it is just 500 pixel wide, and you can scroll it to see. Okay, but you are scrolling the whole website. To make it, what I mean, let's just let's just uncomment this one. Okay, uh, this, and not just increase the width but not that much. Let's say 4 rem. Let's see now. Okay, so as you can see here, the scrolling effect is applying to the whole website. Now see what I am doing. So I will just write overflow y, and I will write scroll, and then I will write height is equal to 400 pixel. Let's save it and see what is there. So now you will see the whole paragraph is now in itself a like scrolling effect. As you can see here, there is a small scroll effect within that paragraph only. So this is how you can create a scrolling effect inside a website. Okay, an individual element give a scrolling effect to an individual element. So yeah, that's it for all the overflow properties, and I hope you learned something new from this video. And that's it for this video, guys. I will see you in the next one.